want to ask one very simple thing कि अब्रॉड में इंडियन क्लासिकल म्यूजिक को लेके गए हमारे हमसे एक जनरेशन दो जनरेशन पहले के कई मेस्ट्रोस जिन्होंने बहुत परफॉर्म किया बाहर और बहुत अच्छा काम किया, इंडियन क्लासिकल म्यूजिक से सबको अवगत कराया, रविशंकर जी एंड दैट होल जनरेशन ऑफ म्यूजिशियंस, राइट? What do you think is the current state of classical music in India and abroad, and what is the what do you see the perception of Indian music outside and of course in India also?
It's a very potent question, and this is something where we have to really question ourselves. What is our responsibility going forward in the future? देखिए, मैं आपको एक मेटाफर, आई वांट टू गिव यू अ मेटाफर. जैसे सेल्स की जो टेक्निक्स होते हैं ना, आपके घर में नया प्रोडक्ट आया है, कोई लेके आया प्रोडक्ट और आपको बोला कि इसका खासियत ये है, ओके, दिस इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट. हाँ, ठीक है, आपने खरीद लिया, चलो, आपको अच्छा लगा. 5 साल बाद आया, तभी सेम खासियत बता रहा है कि इसका होता है, तो आप लेंगे नहीं ना. आप बोलेंगे इसमें क्या है, ये तो वही प्रोडक्ट है, उसका एक नया.
ये तो हो गया.
So unfortunately, I feel the great amazing work that was done by Pandit Ravi Shankar, Ustad Ali Akbar Khan Sahab, Ustad Vilayat Khan Sahab, Pandit Nikhil Banerjee, and that whole generation, Amir Khan Sahab, Bade Ghulam Ali Khan Sahab, ये लोग तो इनका जो the vocal music did not go so much to the West, but even then it went later on because of Ravi ji ने ऐसा काम किया.
I think there is a reason behind that. I think because vocals are difficult to repurpose, whereas instrumentals are easier to repurpose. So
yeah, there's a language barrier also. There's a language barrier and instrument. So instrument you can put it into a biscuit ad also. It will make sense. Vocal, आप किन भरे न कान भरे आप डाल नहीं सकते ना biscuit ad में. तो मतलब anyway, whatever the reason for it, but they went to the West with a message. Ustad Zakir Hussain साहब, वो जो मैसेज लेके गए इधर से, the way he universalized our music, whereas Ravi ji brought in a great deal of spirituality, mysticism, and Zakir Bhai continued with the same message. He brought in the spirituality, the mysticism, the complexity, the intellectual complexity of Indian music, showcased so many amazing collaborations with Zakir Bhai, कितने सारे jazz musicians के साथ, even rock and roll, from rock and roll to jazz to heavy metal, everybody he collaborated with, and not only brought a message of Indian music ka greatness to the West, but brought back that message to India. The reason it worked is because they had something new to offer. They knew how to reinvent themselves. जब रवि शंकर जी ने बीटल्स के साथ अपना कोलैबोरेशन किया था, तो पहली बार वैसा कुछ हो रहा था, where it was rock, like popular music with Indian. उसके बाद जिस वक्त जाकिर भाई ने मिकी हार्ट के साथ एल्बम बनाया, with even Grateful Dead, when he did that, when it was death metal, nowhere had tabla been used in death metal. Then with great jazz, kind of a collaboration.
Yeah, it was amazing.
तो अभी भी मैं वही लेके जाऊंगा तो नहीं काम करेगा, because that is so. In this day and age, I have to figure out what is happening, what is new now, what is the technology, what is Dolby Atmos, how can I give my song, what is production, what is quantization, how I can bring in a little dubstep here, what are the trends today, how I can connect, what is the music of Snarky Puppy. I need to know all this, and then I can bring that message, which you have to feel the pulse of each generation. Some of the eternal things, like spirituality, like meditativeness of our music are still valid. I'm not saying that they have lost their validity. But वही चीज लोग इरिटेट हो जाएंगे ना कि मैं ये चलो और एक बंदा आ गया जो बोल रहा है कि ध्यान पे बैठो तो सुनो, नहीं चलेगा ना. You have to have a person who says, okay, now वो तो ठीक है, आपने बहुत ध्यान, अभी इधर देखो कि कितना how peppy it is, or how virtuosic it is. How can I play through harmonies? I feel a great message to the West is their world of harmony. How harmony is interesting, which is not something which exists so much in our culture, musical culture.
I think
you must think about them if you want
our
to
music
connect.
Is very star centric. Our music is very one person centric, whereas their music is like a group
Inclusive.
activity. It's like a solo sport versus a
also,
team sport.
Yes, बहुत लाख रुपए वाली बात है कि हम लोग our music often becomes a lead kind of. तो जो ख्याल गा रहा है वो सोच रहे कि वो तबला वाला जो बैठा है मेरे राइट साइड में वो भी मेरा नौकर है, हारमोनियम वाला भी नौकर है, मैं गाऊंगा, मेरा फ्रेज है, थोड़ा धीरे ठेका दो, थोड़ा शांति से बजाओ. So that concept is not there in the West. West में उधर कोई सोलो ले रहा है तो ये चुपचाप बैठे, कोई सोलो ले रहा है तो ये बैकिंग कर रहे हैं. मैं क्या बैकिंग में बजा सकता हूँ? कुछ कुछ इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स लाइक द बेस. Bass is a backing instrument. It holds the whole ensemble down. So these are things we should learn from them.
And कि मैं हर बार the sound of the track.
So how I can be a backing musician? How that is a skill set. तो ये सारी चीज लेके हम जाएंगे उनके पास. How I can learn about harmony. See, if you want to create a bridge with another culture, you have to learn about that culture. आप सिर्फ अपना संदेश लेके उधर जाए कि मेरे पास देखो टोकरी खोल के ये है मेरे पास, ये है देखो देखो देखो, तो वो बोलेगा भाई तेरे पास है, मेरे पास भी तो है कुछ, वो अपना खोलेगा. So you must be interested in their. So any successful collaboration works like that. I think we have come to a point where we need to reevaluate and figure out how we can look at their stuff also, and which is what something that Zakir Bhai has done with great deal of even Pandit Ravi Shankar, in those times also, he knew all about how to write.
He was the king of collaborations. He was like a collaboration dude. Yeah,
absolutely. So ये सारी चीजें करना जरूरी है, and we must go forward. You can never, you should not live on past glory. जो हो गया वो तो कमाल है, अच्छी बात है. अभी आगे कुछ क्या करना है?
देखिए, अब मेरे एक सवाल में दो सवालों के जवाब हो गए. आई वॉज गोइंग टू आस्क यू अबाउट फ्यूजन एंड कोलैबोरेशंस, बट यस, द टेक अवे फ्रॉम द लास्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर इज दैट ओनली के न्यू टाइप्स ऑफ कोलैबोरेशन एंड एडिंग न्यू डायमेंशंस एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग देयर म्यूजिक एंड आवर म्यूजिक एंड वर्किंग टुगेदर. देयर इज लॉट्स ऑफ
टेक्नोलॉजी इज सच एन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. अभी डॉल्बी एटमॉस आया है. डॉल्बी एटमॉस इज द न्यू वे टू गो. मैं अभी भी बोलता रहूंगा यार ये डॉल्बी वॉल्बी क्या है, ये एटमॉस क्या है. आई जस्ट वांट टू लिसन पुराना ग्रामोफोन. अरे हाँ, वो भी आ रहा है वापस. दैट इज अनदर ट्रेंड. You know, vinyl is coming back, gramophone. तो वो जैसा पुराना पीछे भी देखो, आगे भी देखो ना.
Correct. So there is a lot of scope in terms of how to apply classical music to the contemporary music and the different streams that are happening in India, in abroad. There's lots of collaborations possible. There's lots of things possible, but you have to have, like Purbanji said, you have to have respect for the other system also. When you are taking your system, you have to have respect for the other system also, and then only a good collaborative confluence can happen.